did the right thing today and decided to work on this whole thing. Aftermarket Brock Auto Parts. Ooh, shiny. So, change out this old natural tinted lights. See if these do anything different. Another thing I'm going to do today is I realize, get off of there. This old chrome is nasty. Like you wash it and nothing happens. It's even right up in here. It's just all grimy. I got a trick to that, and I'm going to show y'all how to do this. And it's going to shine it up like brand new. So far, all I can see is 2 bolts. One here and one there. Everything else is, I don't know, kind of just held on. So, get those off and see what happens. Well, this is taking longer than expected. I don't know if y'all can see this, but there's like little clips like right down here. Oh no, it's darker than midnight there. There's one down there and one over there. Oh, there, you can kind of see it right here. It kind of clips in. Well, after about 4 screws and 1,000 clips later, and almost ripping out the electrical, I got it. I just figure out how to do these lights in, put these lights in. And now, I'll probably be here for another 3 hours trying to figure out the light situation. Looks like we just got 4 bolts and then possibly 2 bulb plugs. So, see what these actually look really good. I haven't taken them clear, didn't film off yet, but 4 bolts, 2 plugs that just plug straight into the backside. And I'm gonna wait to do these little guys until I put the grill back in and pop the bulbs and the blinker back in, and voila. So, like I said earlier in the video, you can see this griminess on the chrome, like you can't even scratch it off. I mean, it's on there. So, this is my way. Like I said in my previous videos, I'm no professional. Just found things that have worked for me. So what you need is some off-brand WD-40 and steel wool. Does wonders. I'll set you up on my tripod here. I'm gonna spray it down a lot with the WD-40 or the Let's Go, and start scrubbing with that steel wool. It does take a little bit of elbow grease, but eventually it'll. Dude's getting it. Anyway, does take a little bit of elbow grease, get in there a little hard, and sure enough, this stuff will look brand new. So I'll show you what I got. I totally just did not hit record cleaning the grill. So slap it back in here and then do a little show what everything looks like. Looking fancy. Now, I know the top one's a little crooked, but there's rods right here that you adjust to make them up, down, left, right, shoot straight, you know. But super easy install. I mean, 2 bolts on top of the grill. There's a clip here and a clip in the middle, clip on the right, and then there's a screw right above the M. And this whole grill just pops right off. Up. The top headlights have 4 bolts and 2 plugs. These have just 4 screws and then 2 bulbs right here. You do have to take off this little bulb that when you pop the grill off, and that is it. This thing is super easy to change out. Super nice too. I actually liked how they turned out. Looking brand new. Let's actually turn the lights on. Well, I guess we can start it up too. These things are bright. I like this. They look really good. You know you got you a good truck when, oh, turn it off. Practically all the lights work, even the dome light. Tail lights and everything. Oh. She ain't smoking no more. Super happy when that all cleared up. All in all, I mean, this truck is easing its way into the, what do you say? Might not tell the wife I'm not gonna sell it, but hope y'all like this video. Hopefully it helps out some. I mean, I know I will. The camera forgot to get turned on a few times, but hopefully this helps with the install on headlights and then cleaning up some chrome. Just a little life hack, I guess you could say. Clean up chrome with WD-40 and steel wool. So that's gonna be in these videos. Please like, subscribe, follow me for all my builds and projects. Catch you on the next one. See you.